here to explain about dimensions. We are three-dimensional beings. We have length, width, and height. So what is a dimension anyway? For our purposes, a dimension is a direction, which we can picture as a line. For our direction to be a dimension, it needs to be perpendicular with all the other dimensions. One-dimensional space is just a line, but two-dimensional space is a square. And three-dimensional space gives us a cube. So what about the fourth dimension, or the fifth? This is when a book called Flatland can help us. Let's say I have a pig, an example of a third-dimensional being. But if I were to transform it into a second-dimensional form, this is what it is going to look like. But why can we see the inside of the pig? It is because the pig is simply second-dimensional. He will have nowhere to put his guts except the flat space of the second dimension. That is why we can see his guts from above. For simplicity's sake, I'll use simple geometric shapes. Let's look at our two-dimensional wall, Flatland. It have only width and length. Flatland is populated by geometric shapes, ranging from all the different types of triangles to squares all the way up to circles and many other more shapes. These shapes are all going around their flat wall, doing their own jobs, living at their own houses, and simply living their own normal lives. One day, a spear showed up above Flatland, but no Flatlander seems to notice. They lack the perception of the above and the third dimension. Then the spear grabbed an unsuspecting square Flatlander and sends our square fluttering, spinning over Flatland. At first, the square have no idea what is happening, and it is terribly confused. But after a while, he realized that he's seen inside closed rooms. He's looking inside his fellow friends. He's seen a perspective of his wall where no Flatlander have ever seen before. We can implement this example on our own 3D wall. For all we know, there can be a fourth-dimensional life form out there. In fact, there could be a whole other higher dimensional walls hidden from us by the nature of our own perception. Thank you.